So this is a Skeebowling Arduino-controlled scoring system that we've been talking about that no one's seen yet.
We got our beautiful attract mode.
Hey, blink, blink.
Press button, and these simulate the score, or the targets. So if you would hit like 30, and then 50,
yeah,
and then a 20. So your total score is 100, and...
So we throw the ball at the switches?
Yep.
No.
That score wasn't good enough to get a high score, so we'll do all 300s next. The switch has a bit of a delay, so it won't like receive another input for another few seconds as it's a bouncing thing.
Yeah, because that whole target area is going to flex and bounce like crazy.
So
game over.
Yep, now that's good enough for a high score, so I can enter my name, maybe.
Well, some of the keys work. We'll just tell people, like, when they say the keys don't work, it's so they don't enter in bad words.
There, now my high score is...
And they'll be like, what bad word starts with a Q? Oh, you don't know, you don't know. Run through it again one more time. That was neat how it had the scrolling text.
Okay.
Now, is that going character by character or pixel by pixel?
Character by character.
Okay. Yeah,
I couldn't do that with this screen. So I'll do 1, 50, and then 40. Which would be, if someone actually did that, that'd be pretty cool. Oh, I guess that wasn't good enough because I was messing with it.
Yeah, you could have a bunch of other high scores in there.
I'll restart it. So then I can do whatever. Alright. So 1, 50, 40. That should, yep. So,
enter your name. 3 C's. 4 Ks.
heck.
You're like the duck or the swan on Charlotte's Web. How do you spell that? Double E, WQ, silent Y, triple E.
Heck you.
So this would be so cool. We'll have to change the size of the hole because we're not going to use that square screen. We'll use this one.
It's a really nice looking screen.
Yeah, it stands out. It's much brighter than the other one.
It's brighter and it updates a lot faster.
You know, this is from an ATM, and we like scare people because they'll see Datalux, and then we'll put like a credit card scanner on the side. Just not hook it up, just put it there, and people be like, "Why is that there?" It's put we accept donation sticker right next to it. Be like, what information are you guys collecting? Nothing.
I was thinking this was like from a cash register or something, so that makes sense.
I think it's actually from an actual ATM thing, but
okay. I've never seen an ATM with a keyboard before, so.
Oh, okay. I was thinking it was because Datalux, I think, makes a lot of stuff from keyboards. I still have the box that it was in. I was always joking around and making it into a giant iPad just for fun.
Okay.
But it's probably all rusty now. It's been in my basement for a while.
Okay.
But yeah, so hopefully next time we have the Skeebowling up, you'll be able to put in a high score. We'll have to see if we can save the data and then upload it to my website or something. Because that'd just be cool data to have up there, and people are like, oh, look, top 10 list or top 100 list.
Mm-hmm.
So here we are, we're doing some more work on the Skeebowling machine, trying to get this scoring up and going. The proto board has been made into an actual project board, so everything's soldered together. Keyboard somewhat works. And let's see, I gotta back up. Oh man, there's stuff everywhere. Let's see if we can see what it says. Sheet ahead. Wait, oh no, skee-ball. we have 3 broken LED strips and then one that's stuck on, so we're gonna have to fix that here next. Then you gotta put a back on it because there's nothing to protect it. We still have a lot of work to do on this, and it's like, man, if we were to do this again, we'd probably find different ways to do it. Neopixels. We'll just cheat. They're ready to go? Gonna be ready by next week? No.
When is your next event?
It'll be our open house at right here, Akron Makerspace. I'll probably just set it up in the hallway somewhere.
Okay. I think you could have done by...
I think so. We got all the stuff here, so...
At least the code for the console works.
Yeah, and all this is put together, and I got the wiring contacts there to hook up to the scoreboard. And we got the cable, so the cable's on the floor there. So, oh, we're getting there.
And this is wonderful I2C communication cable. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm wondering to see how that's going to work when we hook it up to like a 20-foot long cable, because this is going on top of the skee-ball machine, which is 8 feet tall and 20 feet long, and this is going to be at the front, so we're going to have like 20 feet plus maybe another 8 feet up, so like 28-foot long length of cable with I2C.
That's pushing it.
Yeah,
I've heard people have done 10 meters with I2C, which sounds crazy, but it might work. I wonder if anyone makes like I2C inline amplifiers or something.
Why do you guys need like 75 amps to run your skee-bowling machine? Shut up. We made a miscalculation. The little demo you made is that's just freaking awesome. Skee-ball.
Yeah, I was trying to do a plasma effect, but I couldn't get something.
You gotta have the flame bar, and then the rotating 3D cube.
I have the scroller.
You have the scroller, which horizontal bar. Woo! No, that is so awesome. I wonder if there is a demo competition for Arduino demos.
Most demo parties, I think they have just like an other.
It'd be the other category.
Like that one 7-segment one.
Yeah. Oh, I saw one once with a TI 80 calculator. They did a demo on a TI calculator. So, I was like, we have our entry for the demo scene. We're gonna need a 30-foot by 8-foot spot to set it up. Like what? It runs on the skee-bowling machine. But we can't really start the game here. Well, I can start the game, but
yeah, you have to like manually poke the wire
to get the scores.
Yeah, so that's 30 points. You can't.
Really that's one of the broken ones.
Yeah. So then it hits the return.
So that's the ball coming back.
Yep, and we can do like 40.
40 points.
And return, and like.
Oh, did it show the total? 30 and whatever? Yeah. So now we're at 90 points?
Yep. And that's a high score.
Woohoo! You could just about read high score.
Yeah, almost. It's more readable.
Yeah, it'll be more readable when we fix it. It'll probably look a lot better once you're standing like 30 feet away from it, too.
Right.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, let's try.
I feel like that's here.
Yeah, because this is about where you'd be if you're playing.
Oh, yeah, you can actually read it.
Oh, yeah, you can definitely read it. High score. So that looks really good.
Yeah, it'll look better once we fix this thing.
More work to do as we continue on.
Every letter is bound. Oh, there we go.
I might have to just bring a separate keyboard and stick over it to make that work.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's back into the track mode.
Yeah.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my video. Go on Patreon and support me. I don't know, do I have an Amazon wish list I should put up on there too?
What are the services people use?
Here's my Tinder link.
You have a yeah, I don't know. It's too many.
There's too many. I have Instagram, but I hate using it. It's just go to my website. That's where everything is. My nice 1994 style website, which goes along with perfect with the stuff I make. So.